Title: Stock Market Education in the USA. Education System. The education system in the United States of America is considered one of the most advanced in the world, as it focuses not only on theoretical knowledge, but also on practical learning. When it comes to the stock market, it is treated as an important and high-demand subject in the USA. Many students today are building successful careers in finance, investment, and trading. To begin with, it is important to understand what the stock market is. The stock market is a platform where companies sell their shares to the public, and people invest by buying those shares. In the USA education system, students are first taught the basics of the stock market, such as what stocks are, how the market works, and how companies go public through initial public offerings, IPOs. Stock market education in the USA is mainly included in courses like finance, economics, and business administration. During the first 1 or 2 years of college, students study general subjects. After that, they choose a major subject based on their interests. If a student selects finance as their major, they study topics like investment strategies, portfolio management, and financial analysis. One of the most interesting aspects of stock market education in the USA is its focus on practical learning. Students are not limited to textbooks. Instead, they are given real-world exposure. Many universities provide virtual trading platforms where students can practice buying and selling stocks without using real money. This helps them understand how the market behaves in real time. In addition, students are taught technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts, patterns, and price movements, while fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating a company's financial health. Both of these skills are essential for success in the stock market. Another important concept taught in the USA is risk management. Students learn how to minimize risks while investing and how to protect their money. Diversification is also emphasized, where students are taught to invest in different companies to reduce potential losses. Apart from technical knowledge, the USA education system also helps students develop important skills such as communication, decision-making, critical thinking, and problem-solving. These skills are highly useful in becoming a successful investor. In conclusion, one of the biggest advantages of the USA education system is the freedom it gives students to choose their field of interest. If someone is interested in the stock market, they can easily pursue it as a career. With the right knowledge, consistent practice, and patience, the stock market can become a highly rewarding and profitable career path. Overall, stock market education in the USA not only provides financial knowledge, but also helps students become financially independent and smart decision makers.